Hola, mi amigos. It is me, Kimar. Yeah, man. I say Kimar, Jamaica. But today, what we want to do is we want to focus on calcium hardness, right? The calcium hardness test. Now, water that contains little or no calcium or magnesium is called soft, and water that has high levels of calcium and magnesium salts are called hard. As it consumes soap, which makes the water hard to sod, right? So basically today, that is what we'll be testing for, the hardness of the water. How efficient is it consuming sod, you know? And in completing this test, it's going to take for us to use the same test that we use to test for the pH and the chlorine levels of the pool and the alkalinity. And also to make mention is the what we'll be focusing on today is the large comparator to complete this test, and also the measurements which are on the side here, not these measurements, not the color coded measurements, but the measurements here on the side. You're unable to see them. 10 milliliters, 25 milliliters, and 44 milliliters. 25 falling in the mids, right? So it is required for us, if we're going to test the water, is to fill the large comparator to the 25 milliliter mark, right? And that is how we're going to test for the hardness of the water, the calcium hardness test. All right, so to complete this test, it's going to take three reagents. So they are the R0010, R0011L, R0012, right? And as you can see the names there on the reagents: calcium buffer, calcium indicator liquid, and the hardness reagent. All right. Yes. So these are the three reagents. All right. So let's just jump right into testing for the calcium hardness of the water. All right. So it is required for us to add 20 drops of the R0010. So it's gonna take for us to add 20 drops of the R0010. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 drops of the R0010 calcium buffer, right? And it's going to take for us to add 5 drops of the R0011L, also known as the calcium indicator liquid. So we're going to add 5 drops to the sample here. All right, so after adding 5 drops, it is supposed to change to red. So the clear sample here is supposed to change to red, and once it changes to red, that indicates that there is calcium hardness. Calcium hardness is present in the water. So let's go ahead and add 5 drops. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, let me just swirl it a little to see if calcium hardness is present. And as you can see, it changed to red, so it is present. All right, so what we're going to do now, the next step is to add the R0012. All right, so while adding the R0012, we're supposed to count each drop, right? Doesn't matter how much drop it's going to take, but as soon as this sample changes to blue, that is when we're going to stop adding drops. All right, so any amount of drops, that's the amount we're going to record. All right, until the sample changes to blue. Wonderful. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. My God, it took 42 drops for the sample to change to blue. All right, and that was the aim here, to change it from red to get it to blue. Now, in order for us to record the calcium hardness, any amount of drops we got, we have to multiply it by 10. and that is going to give us what we got 42, so it's going to be 420, and it is measured in ppm, particles per million, right? So it is a little above its range, because the range is 150 to 400 ppm. Alright, so basically this is how you test for the calcium hardness, and don't forget to like and to subscribe. Alright, so enjoy the rest of the day. Pick up yourselves.